So, here we have the assembled drawing of the deck chair. Construct the deck chair given in cabinet oblique drawing in isometric drawing. So this is currently in cabinet oblique drawing. What does that mean? Cabinet oblique is when we have when we have to draw the angled lines in half. That is when creating a cabinet drawing. When creating a cabinet drawing, we have to take the angled lines and divide them by 2. So to bring them back to their original form, we have to double the length of the angled lines. So in our case, that's what we're going to do in isometric drawing. Now I'm going to ask you to ignore this a bit, the scale of 2:1, okay? So it's going to be drawn to scale. But since they are currently in cabinet oblique and we have to shift them to isometric, we have to double the angled lines. Because like I said, when creating a cabinet drawing, a cabinet oblique drawing, we have to half the angled lines. So in order to bring them back to their original form, we have to double them. So, here we have the X, and here we have the X over here. This means that this X, that this position is this position. The X is referring to the position. So, here, since it's isometric, I know it's going to be 30 by 30. So I'm just gonna draw 2 30-degree angled lines. I'm just gonna draw them out. I'm just gonna extend them to any length I want. But remember, leave them faint. There. Now, in cabinet oblique, the angle can be either 30 or 45 or 60. And this part is in a 2D format, so straight horizontal line with a vertical line. So I'm gonna extend X, the line from X, there. And I know this is vertical, like this. So now this line from X and extending it in a horizontal manner is in relation to X extended in a 30 degrees manner. So this line, basically this line, the horizontal line, is this 30-degree line. So we know this point is this point now. So I'm gonna find this length, which is 10. And I'm gonna go up 10. There, it's already done actually. There. Now, to find this point, I don't see an angle. I drop it down onto the horizontal line. Find this length, which is 30. Mark out 30. So now this point I have over here is this point over here. So to find this part, now I just see this length, the vertical length, which is 12. And I go up 12. There. And I found this point, which is this point. So, like this. Yeah? Now, let's see what this length is. This is 25. So I'm gonna make it 50. Because remember, I have to double the angled lines. There. Now, we can draw, now. We have this line, let's see how much we have to go up. Just 10. So I have to go up 10. There. And there. Make this parallel to 30 degrees. There. So see, here I've created this part. Now here, this one joins like this. It's a straight. This one is a horizontal line. So if it's a horizontal line here is gonna be a line by 30 degrees. So this is 40. Oh wait, 10, 20, 30, 40. Yeah, 40. So 40 by 30 degrees. There. From here I'm gonna have 30 as well by 40. There. And here, this one is this. Now, to create this part. Now, this point is attached to this point. So these are one, which is this point. So now we have to find this. Now this one, we're going to find it in the same way that we found this one. So, I'm going to drop it down onto this line. So now we found this point. Now, I'm just going to find this length, which is 45. I'm going to drop down from here. Find the 45, which is here. I'm gonna extend a vertical line. So now this vertical line is this vertical line. I'm gonna find its length, which is 10, 20, 35. Over here. So this one is the bottom point. So I'm gonna attach this to the bottom point. Gonna make this parallel. So I set my set square up in parallel to this line. I draw it from here. There we go. There. Now, 30 degrees. Extend the line. Go a line parallel back to this one. Draw it from the other side. make this bold. There. So now I've got the top of the deck chair. So now what's left are these two, 1 and 2. Let's see where they go. This one goes over here. This one goes over here. This one over here. And this one over here. There. So this point is going to be attached to this point. So therefore this point is over here. Let's find its length, which is 12. I'm gonna go down 12, which is actually this point over here. So, and this one, these are in line, yeah? There's a horizontal line here. So these are in line as well over here. So we can just find the distance, which is 8. And we know that this point is here. So I'm gonna have one starting from here, one starting from here. So 8 and 8. 2, 3, 4. Make them bold. And draw them like this. And there we've created the deck chair.